Bow, bow, bow. Hello and welcome back to my corner of the interwebs. Claffmatic here with another episode of I Be Diggin. Yes, I think this is episode 5. But anyways, I'm gonna call this one the Valentines edition. Anyways, as you can see here, it is the certified lover boy sample in R&B joints crate over on tracklib. It's got all kinds of Valentines and lovey-dovey breakup samples and whatnot in here for you. All the good stuff. All the good stuff. This is gonna be a quick episode. I don't. Yes, this is gonna be a quick episode. I don't really have much for you except that I watched the Bob James interview with Ninth Wonder did on Tracklib's YouTube channel, and I thought it was pretty interesting because in a roundabout way they kind of touched on the whole Timbaland situation. If you remember, I think it was maybe last week or maybe 2 weeks ago. At this point, Timberland got was trending for his choice in how he sampled some of his biggest records. There'll be a card or bubble around here if you want to find more about that. And basically, it was that he didn't chop the samples in some of his biggest records. And in this, they talked about a lot of samples that are in songs where they use some of Bob James's work, and they just added drums, and it was just DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince. Yeah, it was actually talked about. He's like they didn't really do anything differently. They just added the drums, and I'm paraphrasing. I'm down below to the interview to listen to yourself, but basically he talked about how DJ Jazzy Jeff sampled Nautilus in one of his songs, and he didn't really do anything different. It was Will rapping over the song, and that is the exact same thing that Timbaland got dragged for. It's just funny. It just goes to show you don't you gotta know where you come from to know where you're going. I suggest everybody go watch that, especially if you're new in this hip hop space and if you're new in this world. I would highly suggest go and get that little crash course over there. That's really all I got for you. Like I said, there'll be a link down below to the interview and to this crate as well. Yeah. Until next time, I'm Claffmatic. Ciao.